Shujaa mbitika cia Edmonton Sevens na iria ciatirihirwo muthenya wa kiumia marikirie mari namba 3 na thutha wa kwaga mweke wa kuingira thiini wa finals. Mbitika ya mwisho ya gwetha namba 3 Kenya matamurire Canada na point 33 gwa 14 kurikia thutha wa Great Britain na aria mahotirwo ni South Africa final na point 24 gwa 12.
Fairly a good season. We performed well. Of course, there are areas that we feel we still have a lot of work to do, but we are quite happy and glad with the performance of the boys to finish second, tied with GB with no midfeet, and we hope that they can improve on that going forward.
Mbitika-ini ino ya mwisho muthaki Alvin Otieno hari ties ithano iria thakire inya ni ahotire gucitua pointi.
The season has been awesome for me. Being able to get back-to-back dream team. So I can summarize by saying the season has been awesome to me.
At least for now, we know where we are. It's now going back to the drawing board, training harder, and we see what we present for the next season.
Kocha wa imwana ici Innocent Simiyu ni akenetio ni uria Kenya iratirihire kimera kia mwaka uyu akiuga riu hatire mahinda ma gute tiga kwambiriria mehariria ma kimera kia mwaka ukite.
The key focus is the Commonwealth Games and the World Cup next year. Their game seems to have a lot of clarity and how they approach us. We're still struggling in execution against South Africa, especially around dealing with the defensive pressure and the pressure around the tackle area and the kickoff. So for us, it's just how do we adjust or adapt to that pressure and be able to play our game. So I think it's a matter of time. It will come.